There you go. Oh, to be whenever I get nervous or there we go. Excuse me. There. What jaboon? What's this here on Twitch? Freezer, do you guys think? Oh. Oh, that. Oh, they're quiet. There we go. Oh, look at someone missed out on what? This one's good. Eyes are watering. The rest is history, so. Spicy. The beast. Funny. I'd love to see Spider-Man. Ooh. Good, we're chilling. Nope. Actually. Douglas, right here. Oh, it's spicy. Excuse me.
We're right.
What was that sound effect? The next one.
Accidentally stabbed me. I got that. A little louder in my right. Yeah, baby. Distract him.
I can distract them with that.
But
You want to get in the backseat with me now?
expensive, and then I'll lose it. Actually, you know what I think about, Gabrielle? I lost my delicate casting. Watering, I guarantee. Chamberlain, thank you for your appreciate it. Rudy over this. Glory. Serious about picking frog merch, and finally,